Welcome to Let's Stitch a Year of Quilt Blocks. I'm Natalia Bonner, and I am so excited to introduce you to a whole year of machine quilting quilt blocks. We'll be doing some of my favorite quilting designs combining free motion and, of course, ruler work. 2022 is going to rock, and I am so dang excited to share what I've been creating for you. Starting in January with Let's Stitch a Year of Blocks, a free stitch along. On the first Monday of each month, I'll share a video teaching you step by step how to machine quilt a new quilt block each month. But you know I couldn't stop with just one block design. You heard me right. On the first of each month, we'll also launch a brand new class featuring 12 additional versions of each block. That's right, 13 versions of each block that I'll be teaching you all through 2022. In January, we'll feature the Bird of Paradise block. February, we'll be featuring snowballs. March, the double T. April, duck's foot. May, double X. June, 8-point star. July, Millie's favorite. August, churn dash. September, of course, the 9-patch along 3.0. October, foliage. November, star puzzle. And December, love knot. That means through all of 2022, you'll have the opportunity to learn 156 new quilt block designs. It's easy to look at a quilt top and be scared to death. During this year of block classes and stitch-alongs, we're going to break it all down, one block at a time, one border at a time, one shape at a time. You'll learn easy marking methods, a little bit of ruler work, and a bit of free motion quilting to make your designs more smooth and efficient, helping to decrease stops and starts. You'll leave these classes and free stitch-alongs knowing how to break down your quilt blocks into more manageable units. You'll increase your personal library of machine quilting designs and grow your confidence in your own machine quilting skills. I love to share what I've learned. I've written 6 books on machine quilting and created over 20 online classes and stitch-alongs focused on machine quilting. I live in St. George, Utah, where I manage Peace and Quilt, an educational quilting business. And I still quilt a few quilts for my clients in my spare time, whatever that is. We'll start this year of classes and stitch-alongs with a lesson on January 1st, 2022, and work all the way through the year. We'll work on some of my favorite blocks, and of course, I'll have many bonus border and sashing ideas to share along the way. On the first of each month, we'll launch a brand new class. You can register for these classes on our website starting now, and all 12 lessons will be released on the first of each month. Of course, we'll still have our Peace and Quilt Show and Tell Facebook group. You know I love to see your work, and you all inspire me. Plus, in September 2022, we'll have another free stitch-along, the 9-patch along 3.0. That's become one of my favorite stitch-alongs of the whole entire year. You can't master free motion quilting without the right supplies. You'll find everything you need, including a detailed supply list, over on our website, pieceandquilt.com. We've created a piecing workbook that will teach you how to piece each of the 12 quilt blocks, plus put them all together into a quilt top. Plus, we've also created design workbooks for each class and stitch-along. You're going to love these workbooks. There's 13 design workbooks in total. full color with stitching designs, plus blank blocks for you to sketch, doodle, and draw your own designs. You all know that I love machine quilting with rulers, so don't forget to pick up your machine quilting rulers. If you have any questions or need any help along the way, just ask. In our classroom dashboard, you can post questions, or in our show and tell group, and I'm there to respond. I'll also be stopping in with live videos all through the year to answer your questions and share what I'm working on. Don't be afraid to ask. I'm here to help. We'd love to see all of your fabulous free motion quilting designs, so don't forget to post pictures of what you're working on in both our dashboard community as well as our Facebook show and tell group. Now, let's get stitching.